How to make AI generated animations. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video we are going to see how you can make AI generated animations very easily and without any hassle. So let's get into the video. Animations are basically like cartoons that you can generate, but it is a very lengthy procedure because you have to do it with digital, you have to know some digital softwares, you have to know coding when you're making animations. So there's a lot of complex things that you need to know in order to make a good animation. But how you can generate an animation that can basically look good on your social media, and that can basically do the work for you, but you don't have to go through all of that hassle. So that is now possible through AI, because AI is very advanced. So you can make animations for your YouTube videos, for your Pinterest videos, for other purposes, for your Udemy videos, or whatever video that you want to create. You can create animations for that. But how you can do that is through a script. So there is a platform which is called Steve.ai, which allows you to generate a animation from the text that you can provide to it. Text can be a whole scene, a whole summary of the scene. It can be divided into from scene by scene, and then it is going to be generated as an animation. So here you can see that use scripts from the library or copy paste any text to convert the text into an animation. So Steve is basically a paid platform, but if you look at the pricing of Steve, it is also available for the free, and the free version has some restraints that are not available for the free version, but they are available for the priced version. So the basic plan is basically of $15 per month, which allows you to have a 720 pixel video resolution, 5 video downloads per month, etc. And there are other things as well. Then you have a starter plan for $45, which is basically going to give you 15 video downloads per month, and the video resolution is going to be 1080 pixels. And you are going to get a plan for $60, which is the pro plan, and in here you're going to get 40 video downloads per month with 2K video resolution. And then there is a custom pricing available for an enterprise version of Steve.ai, and here you are going to get a 4K video resolution and unlimited downloads. So how you can get started with Steve.ai? You have to log in or sign up. You can do that with Google or Apple ID, or you can add in your email, give it your password, and you can simply sign in. It is that easy. After that, this is going to be your homepage. So in order to get a script that can be generated as an animation in Steve.ai, I'm going on to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it to generate a script for me, because we are making the whole video through AI. So that's why I'm not doing any kind of work here. I'm just giving commands to different AI platforms that you can integrate and use, like ChatGPT and Steve.ai, in order to make a one complete whole thing. So I'm just going to give a command to ChatGPT. Okay guys, so I have asked ChatGPT to write a YouTube video script on best makeup products of this year so far. So here you can see that ChatGPT has started to generate the whole script, and here you can see that it has been divided as intro. Hey there beauty enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something incredibly exciting for you, etc. Then you have introduction to the top makeup products before we dive into the list. Then you have product number 1, which is foundation. Then product number 2, eyeshadow palette. And then there is a mascara, product 4, which is lipstick, highlighter, and closing remarks. So this is a whole script of the video that ChatGPT has generated for me. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going on to my Steve.ai, click on this option which says text to animation, and click on start. So now you have to add some auto generate script, which is the type of video is animation video. Video ratio is going to be horizontal. The category is advertisement. You can make it as an explainer video. Fashion, so let's say the category is fashion, and the title is beauty product boutique. Then you can change the title as beauty salon and footwear store, and beauty product boutique is fine. So this is basically the whole information about my script. Now I'm going to add the script that is being created. So first of all, I'm going to add this into scene 1. I'm not going to add in the things like intro or host, because they won't be spoken when the voiceover is done or when the video is being made. So I just need to get rid of those. So I'm going to copy this much of it, and I'm going to paste it as a scene. Okay, so then you have another option. Okay, no, you cannot do that. Okay, so the next thing is you're gonna go onto the ChatGPT again, and I'm going to go on and get the whole script copied, and I'm going to paste it onto Steve.ai directly, because it is not going letting me differentiate between the scenes. So I'm just going to paste it, and here you can see that product number 1 foundation. Before we dive into, so the things like host are going to be removed, and I'm going to remove it myself from the thing that I have just posted. So I'm just going to make this video for the purpose of letting you guys know. So I'm just not going to make all of the edits, so let it be. And then what I'm gonna do is auto highlight, add voiceover, convert your script on to the machine voice, and you can do that by the language is English, the gender is female, voice is Joanna, it's fine. And you can also auto highlight, you can add music, source, animation, video, and what is your video about. It is about fashion, it is about makeup. So I'm just going to click on next. The estimated video duration is 5 minutes 9 seconds. I'm going to click on next, and it is going to generate the video for me. So before that, it's going to ask me to choose my design. Here you can see that hard work is never overtaken, buying my long time dream car. So these are all the options of the video that are available that I can choose from. So let's say a very warm welcome to all newcomers. So this is basically this video format that I have chose, and now it is going to take some time to convert my script into an AI generated video. So I'm just going to wait for a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to show you guys the end results of what has been created from my script to a video format. Okay, so here you can see that the video has been created. So let's preview from the current scene. I'm going to play the video, and here you can see they have added a very cute makeup palette, makeup brushes, along with the first scene which says here, hey dear beauty enthusiasts. So it is going to load itself a little bit more, and then once it's completely loaded, we will see the video, we will see the preview of how the video looks like. So I'm just going to wait for a couple of more seconds, and then we'll get back to it. So ChatGPT is a very good thing. Meanwhile, while it's loading, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you about its credibility. It's a great platform, and it is going to generate anything for you related to content that you're asking for. And to generate something like a music or something like voice or video, you can use other platforms as well. So it is now done. So you can see that here.
These gems have taken the beauty world by storm and are absolute must-haves. So, get ready to update your makeup bag because we've got you covered. Before we dive into the list, remember that these are our personal favorites and recommendations based on the latest trends and our own experiences. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Product number 1, foundation. Starting with the base, we have an absolute game changer, the Flawless Finish Foundation. This foundation boasts an innovative formula that offers buildable coverage, a seamless finish, and long-lasting.
Okay guys, so I've shown you the preview. It looks pretty amazing. It seems like I've just created it myself, and it has all of these animations to it which are changing by each scene, so it doesn't even get boring as well. So it is a very good thing that you can make through AI. And if you didn't like the layout of the video, you can change the layout from this option, and it is going to give you all of the templates that it has given before, and you can change the layout yourself. Then you can change the color of all the things, like apply all, reset the color, like these are more blues, you can add pinks. Then you have a scene time. If you want to change the timing of the scene, if you want to decrease it or increase it, you can go by this option. Then you have a translation. You can add the translation to all of the scenes in Urdu or in any language that you want to, but English is a very universal language, so I think that is fine. Then you can hide text in current slide or hide text in all slided, and you can duplicate the scene. So these are all the editing options that are available in the scenes. And you can see the voiceover. You can change the the person who is doing the voiceover as well. You can change the voice of the person. It is Jane right now, and you can make it anybody else if you want to. Then you have an option of music. You can add or remove music according to your own choice. And then you have an option to publish. After you have done with everything, you can publish your video online, but it is because of the sake of this video I have created it, so that's why I'm not going to publish. But this is how you can create an animation using AI. It was very easy, it was very fun as well. You just have to give in a prompt, and it's going to generate the video for you. And if you don't like it, then you can go on and change stuff from the video by yourself. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.